Find the probability that the first is not successful and the second is successful. So the probability that the first is not successful is 0.05, and we want to multiply that by the probability that the second is successful, which is 0.95. And this will be 0.0475. And you'll notice that that's the same answer as the previous question. Find the probability that none of the surgeries are successful. So this is the probability that the first is not successful and that the second is not successful. So this will be 0.05 times 0.05, which is 0.0025. So that's a very low probability.